Hey guys, my name is Jennifer and I am Jenofeve Designs. Today is the first drawing for the paper collections giveaway for my 50,000 subscriber celebration. So today is the first of many. And how to enter to win, you have to be a subscriber, of course, and then you had to leave a comment on the videos. The videos that I chose were the playlists that we're currently working on. So the Basically Amazing, oh, I can't show you because I'm a few videos ahead. The Pretty Mosaic, Basically Amazing scrapbook album that we're making. I have it linked down below. And you can skip the first three, the introduction, the flip through of the prototypes, and then the add-on photo mat video. You can skip all those, but you had to leave a comment on those videos, because what I'm going to do every week is I'm going to randomly choose a video and I'm going to pick the winners out of those comments. All of the specific info is down below in the description box if you want to check that out. But today, instead of just doing 2 winners, there's supposed to be 2 winners a week for this month. I'm going to start with 3 winners today. And it's just kind of a kickstart of this giveaway for me, really. I was looking at all the collections and I was like, let's go ahead and do 3 because there's so many. And for example, like I have this collection here. This is a photo play collection and what's it called? Bellflower. I have 3 of these sets right here. So I thought, why not go ahead and throw one in today and have an extra one. So I've picked out 3 collections from my collection. So what I've done, just to explain, over the years, I've usually bought at least 2 sets of a collection and sometimes 3. So I bought one for me to work with, one for my mom, and then one for you guys. Sometimes I did have to get into the one for you guys because I used it to help me with a prototype or something, but not very often. So I have been accumulating all of these collections in the hopes of giving them away once I hit 50,000 subscribers. So that is where all these collections have come from. Although last time when the video I talked about this, I noticed that one of the collections I picked just to show you at random, it was used. Some of the papers were used. So I don't know if you most of you said you don't care if a paper pad has been used a little bit. So I'll have to have to be a disclaimer, I guess. But I think all of these are complete. I don't think I've used any bits and pieces of these 3 collections that I've picked out for today. And also, because of the times that we live in, because of the COVID-19, because of international shipping being outrageous, I'm not going to be shipping internationally. And I know that a lot of you guys, some of you guys are very upset about it, and it actually literally made me cry and upset me very badly because I don't want to have to do that. There are so many reasons why I am not going to ship internationally right now. I don't even have time to explain it right now. I mean, it would take probably an hour and a half just to explain why and all the different reasons. But a big reason is the shipping is outrageous. And another big reason is packages are going missing. And I would hate to ship you this large collection of something and then it never reach its destination. So in lieu of doing that, I am giving you guys, the international winners, a one-time use coupon code for my shop. So, and I know a lot of you asked if you pay the shipping, if that would be okay. And I just don't feel right about that. I just cannot do that. For many reasons. One being that I just don't feel right about that. I don't feel like me doing something for you guys means you need to pay for it. I don't know. I don't feel right about it, and also I don't feel right if you was to pay me upwards of $100 in shipping and then your package never arrived. I would have to give you your money back, and I know a lot of you would be like, no, we'll take the risk. I won't take that risk because I would have to give you your money back, and I just can't afford to do that. I wish it wasn't this. I wish times weren't the way they were right now for more than just this reason. It's really terrible. If last year, if I had reached 50,000 last year, it would have probably been a whole different scenario. But that's what's going on right now. So we're just doing 4 drawings this month. Maybe things will change. in the future, because I've got tons of collections. So I'm pretty sure that in the 4 drawings, I'm not going to be able to give away all these collections. So, but for right now, this is what I'm having to do. And I am so sorry. I really, truly am sorry that I cannot ship these things to you, okay? See, it upsets me just even talking about it. But anyway, I appreciate every one of you, no matter where you live, no matter where you come from. And this is just what I have to do right now. So, anyway, again, I am sorry. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Let me show you this. I'm going to show you one collection at a time, and then I'll do the drawing. So this is the first collection that I picked out. It is the, oh, I need to get my Post-it notes out. It is the Photo Play Belle Fleur, and it is, whoops, oh, let me flip it over. I actually accidentally, you're going to get 2 sticker sheets because I accidentally purchased sticker sheets separately, not realizing they were part of the collection. So you're going to get 2 sticker sheets. But it is 12 sheets of 12 by 12 double-sided designer cardstock and 1 sheet of 12 by 12 designer cardstock stickers. So you're going to get 2. And this is what that collection looks like. It is super pretty. I totally had intended to use this, and things just got away, and you know, things happen. So you're also going to get some chipboard stickers. It says micro. I guess they're, ooh, they're thin. They're super thin. Those are super cute. I love that. I didn't realize how thin they were. Okay, well anyway, you get a package of that. You get a package of the cardstock ephemera. There's all what's in it. And then you get a package of mixed brads. So these are super cute. So that's what this first one is going to be. And let me get a Post-it note so I can write down who the winner is. Alright, I have already opened my comment picker up, my YouTube comment picker. I picked video number 7 because today's the 7th. I wasn't sure how I wanted to pick the videos yet. But anyway, that's why I picked this video. I was going to have someone randomly pick one for me from my family, but nobody's here right now. So I just picked number 7 because today is the 7th. So I went ahead and put the URL in here, and I've already pulled all the comments. And then I'm going to hit start. So what's going to happen is I'm going to hit start. It's going to pick a winner, and then I'm going to have to check to see if you are a subscriber. And then we'll go from there. So I'm going to go ahead and hit start for this first one. And let's see who wins. Melinda Mitchell. Okay, congratulations, Melinda Mitchell. You have won the Photo Play or the $25 coupon code, depending on where you are from. I'm going to write you down. And what you'll need to do is you'll need to contact me via the special email that I have down in the description box below this video. Contact me via that email, and you have until, I think, 7 days. So you have until the 14th to contact me to claim your prize. And just FYI, if Melinda Mitchell is not in the USA, if she's international, then this collection will go back into the drawing maybe for next time. Okay. Just FYI. So congratulations, Melinda Mitchell. You have won this first collection. So I also will not take any other communications through that email. So just the giveaway winners, okay? And you contact me through there, and then we'll go from there. Okay, one down. The next one is, this one is Havana. Oh, somebody asked me to list these pouches in my Amazon. I forgot. I will do that. I will try to do it as best I can. This next one is the Havana collection by Prima. We did not use this one on camera, but it's super pretty. This one has foil accents. So you get the 12 by 12 paper pad. And then there'll also be, let's see, looks like we got a 3x4 journaling card pad. We have the some ephemera pieces. We have some sticker sheets. Oh, that also are like for planners as well. Sticker sheets, and those are like foiled. So there's those two. And then there is this pack of flowers. And this pack of flowers. And this one. This pretty color. I love that color. And then this pack of flowers. So the next person that I draw will get this one or $25. Okay, let's see. Now, how do I pick? Okay, I'm going to pick another winner. So again, congratulations, Melinda. Congratulations, Renee Merle. Why do I feel like I know you? Why do I know you? I feel like I know you. Let me check to see. Oh, happy anniversary. Thank you. Let me check to see about you if you are a subscriber. Okay, oops, carrier setting update. Not now. Congratulations, Renee. You need to contact me in that. I don't think it's Renee. Renee? Did I say it wrong? You need to contact me via that special email down below before August the 14th. And we will go from there. So you got the Havana collection. Okay, and then I think you guys might be a little excited about this one. This one is, hang on just a second. This one is the Pretty Mosaic, the current paper collection that we are using. So you get a whole 12x12 paper pad. You get the 4x6 journaling cards. You get the 3x4 journaling cards. You get the 6x6 paper pad. And let's just start going. Oh, wait. You get the wood embellishments. You get the chipboard stickers. Let's see what else. You get the ephemera pack and the Say It in crystals. You get all of these different flowers. Hang on, let me see. There's these three. The winner that I'm getting ready to draw is getting ready to win this. You get these flowers, and this flower, these flowers, right? I mean, there's a ton. I think I bought one of every flower for this one because I wasn't quite sure. I knew I was going to be using this for the biggest album, and I wasn't quite sure how much we were going to need. I love these. These different color, different sizes, very small with leaves, and then there's that. Okay. You don't get the plastic containers that they come in, by the way. So this is a huge collection, obviously. So I'm super excited to be able to give this one away to you guys. And, all right, so I'm going to tell it to pick another winner. And then I'll hit start. Let's see. It says Jennifer Richards. Crafting Sweetness. Congratulations, Jennifer. Let me go check and see if you are a subscriber. All right. Congratulations, Jennifer. All you need to do is contact me via that special email down below before the end of the 7-day period, before I think it's August 14th. Maybe at midnight or something. I don't know. I have to remember. But all that'll be down in the description box below. But congratulations to all of the winners. And the next drawing will be on the 14th of August, which will be next Friday. And then there'll be 2 more winners next Friday in 2 different paper collections. Or I guess if any of these are if any of the winners are international winners, then I guess maybe I'll just have it roll over. I'm not really sure how I'm going to do that yet. But anyways, so I really appreciate everybody's understanding about the international shipping, and I am really sorry. I deeply apologize for that, and I wish things were different, but I love you guys, and I will see you next time.